Welcome back to the channel. Today is September 30th, 2025, and we're diving into a wild few days for Wolfspeed, ticker symbol Wolf, as the stock grabs headlines after a dramatic turnaround and some huge market moves. Let's get into the latest update. Wolfspeed shares exploded as news broke that the company's bankruptcy restructuring plan got court approval. Over the past 48 hours alone, the stock price surged more than a staggering 1,000%, hitting around $15 at one point. This comes after trading as low as $1.15 just a week ago. The surge followed major news. Wolfspeed is slashing its debt by over 70%, cutting it from $6.5 billion down to $2 billion. The company is also moving its legal home from North Carolina to Delaware, a change that's being called a smart governance and strategy move for the future. As part of this reorganization, Wolfspeed canceled its old stock and issued new shares. But here's a critical point for investors. If you held shares before, your stake is now heavily diluted. Shareholders from before the announcement will get only 3 to 5% of new equity, with most ownership now going to creditors. The old stock is being delisted in early October, so check your brokerage account for updates. So why did the price rocket, even with all this risk? Investors and speculators rushed in, betting on a classic turnaround story and the company's renewed ambitions in the fast-growing silicon carbide market. Wolfspeed has set bold targets for 2028, over $1 billion in revenue and a huge profit swing. But be careful, because the business still faces some serious challenges, including negative margins, high costs, and intense competition. Now for the trading strategy. With this much volatility and a recent 1,000% plus surge, risk management is critical. The technical picture is tricky. If the new shares hold above $2 on high volume, that could signal growing faith in the turnaround and justify a short-term long trade. But if shares slip below that $2 support level, bears may take control and drive it much lower. For experienced traders, look for breakout volume above $2 for a potential upside scalp. For those looking to short, any failed rally or rejection near resistance could offer a low-risk short opportunity. Since the story is still evolving, use tight stop losses and watch for trading halts as volatility remains sky-high. This is not a play for the faint of heart, so size positions accordingly and consider option strategies for hedging. That wraps up today's update. Let us know in the comments if you're trading Wolf, and hit subscribe for instant coverage on the wildest market movers. Catch you in the next one.